Happy Wednesday, hump day. Headed out right now. I'm going to meet up with. I'm on my way to meet up with my business partner Orvin. We have a lunch meeting today. But before that, I have to stop by Hayward to drop off the screens I borrowed. Alright, I'm back from my meeting in Redwood City with business partner Orvin. It's a good meeting, good and bad. There's a lot of things we gotta work on it for AudioWorks. A lot of stuff to do for that company. So anyways, right now, baby's awake. I'm gonna go in the backyard, check out the trimming that they did on the trees in the back. So it looks like our gardener got a little carried away and cutting all this stuff. It's supposed to be a trim from the sidewalk up, and also this sidewalk up. Well, it is what it is. You can't erase that. Now it looks like we gotta fix this fence. Looks like this fence is broken right here. And I still gotta work in the studio back there. We had a leak in the what do you call this? In the vocal booth. Took down two walls in the roof. I gotta put that back together soon.
Don't come in here and record me. Stop it!
Can I touch the stick?
No!
You look pretty. I was just being nice. So, I guess I had a chore today to empty out the vacuum cleaner. Gotta empty it out. Ugh, I hate doing that thing. Always dust everywhere. Blech. Alright guys, that's it for tonight. I'm already dressed for bed. Warrior game is on. Before I sign off, I do have some extra footage. We were at the beach a week ago, so I'm gonna put that at the end of this. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.